going to show you how to make a bracelet. You need to cross it first, and then you put your other color over top, and then you put it on this top again, and then you pick up your next color, and then you do the same thing. And then you pick up your other color. You could do any pattern. I'm doing a pattern with red and black. Keep going until your bracelet gets long enough. You could use 2 or 3 bands to make it thicker. Now, to do it, you end it off with the S-clip. And then you have a Spiderman bracelet.